Hi, this is Juan from JuanTutors.com. Welcome to my totally free office hours. Today we're working on the August 2016 New York Geometry Common Core Regents problem number 9. If you want to access these exams, go to nysedregents.org. They're freely available there. So here's the problem. We're given triangle AEC, triangle DEF, and FE is perpendicular to CE. Then I look at the diagram briefly, and I see that that everything seems to be described there. Triangle, triangle, FE, perpendicular to CE. Okay. And then what is the correct sequence of similarity transformations that shows that AEC, triangle AEC, is similar to triangle DEF? So I'm not gonna go read through them. You definitely read through them in a I'm gonna read through them, but definitely read through them on your own and see if you can get the answer yourself. And hit the like button if you get the same answer that we do. Definitely do that. So and what my advice to you is that there should be some answers here that don't quite make sense for the problem. That there's some answers that you should be able to tell based on how they transform the triangle. We're transforming triangle AEC, by the way, not triangle DEF. We're transforming triangle AEC. Some answers should look wrong to you. The other thing is that you should also have it in mind, kind of like a transformation that will convert triangle AEC into triangle DEF. My transformation, I see if I turn AEC this way, counterclockwise, and I blow it up a little bit, then they should be the same. Now this triangle DEF, this is a 6, 8, and then it's a right triangle, so this side is length 10. You should recognize that Pythagorean triple. And triangle AEC is also a right triangle because of this. And this is 3. This side is length, the leg is length 3. This other leg is length 4. So this hypotenuse is length 5. That's the 3, 4, 5 triangle. Yet another Pythagorean triple you should recognize: the 3, 4, 5 triangle and the 6, 8, 10 triangle. All right. Now, I also recognize that the 6, 8, 10 triangle is twice as big as the 3, 4, 5 triangle, so there's gonna have to be a dilation of 2 at some point. That already eliminates a bunch of them. So now let's see. Number 1, a rotation of 180 degrees about point E, followed by a horizontal translation, eliminated, no dilation. A counterclockwise rotation of 90 degrees about point E, followed by a horizontal translation, no dilation. A rotation of 180 degrees about point E, followed by a dilation with a scale factor of 2, centered at point E. Centered at point E, as I should expect. Now, this is a rotation of 180. A 180 degree is a complete vertical flip. So this goes this way, a little bit too far. EA goes this way. So this triangle would become something like this. And then dilating it by 2, it's not on top of E. It's not on top of triangle DEF. So this is definitely not the answer. A counterclockwise rotation 90 degrees. I see that this is a 90-degree angle. They told me that these two are perpendicular. So that's a 90-degree angle. So the rotation has to be 90 degrees to get this triangle to fit on top of the to get triangle AEC to fit on the top of triangle DEF. So counterclockwise rotation 90 degrees. Counterclockwise, remember, clock goes this way. So this is clockwise. CK. Okay, a clock goes this way. So counterclockwise, which is odd. Why would we ever consider counterclockwise to be the default? But the truth is that, in fact, in physics, it's a default as well. So it's kind of, in chemistry, it's also the default. So we assume that is it. If we're not told which direction the rotation is, we assume that it's counterclockwise. Now this one is a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation, as should be expected, and then followed by a dilation of scale factor 2. So this is in fact the answer. Okay, if you were looking for the answer to this question, definitely just skip on to the next video, hit the like button, subscribe, especially if you got the right answer. But we did create another video, another problem for you to have some extra practice. At this point, you should definitely pause the video, try the problem on your own, and when you're finished, press play to see our solution. And by the way we're able to provide these videos totally for free is by having viewers like you see these videos. So if you do appreciate what you see, we do appreciate you hit the like button, subscribe, subscribe, and let your school friends know that these videos are available. We are preparing videos in geometry, algebra, algebra 2, trigonometry, biochem, physics, and even more to come. So here's the problem. Given triangle AEC and triangle DEF and FE is perpendicular to CE. So the exact information is before. This side is length 10, this side is length 5. What is the correct sequence of similarity transformations that shows triangle DEF is similar to triangle AEC? So now we're transforming triangle DEF. So this should be the reverse of the previous answer. Now, I will say this, there's more than one way to do it. We can rotate 270 degrees, dilate a half. We could combine a whole bunch of dilation, a bunch of transformations. The most efficient, you only need a rotation and a dilation. So let's see. I'm definitely going to need a dilation by a scale factor of a half. So I see 2 and 4 have that. The first choice, the clockwise rotation 90 degrees followed by a horizontal translation, does not transform DEF to triangle AEC because AEC is just smaller. These are isometries. These preserve congruence, so does not maintain similarity while also breaking congruence. Choice 3, a clockwise rotation of 180 followed by a horizontal translation. Again, both of those transformations preserve congruence, but does not change size and does not break congruence. So dilation with scale factor a half shrinks triangle DEF to the correct size, followed by a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees. So we do expect to go clockwise because we're rotating around this vertex. So that's looks like it's going to be the answer. Now this one, a counterclockwise rotation of 180 degrees about point E. That's counterclockwise 180. That's a little bit too far, followed by a dilation of a half. So it misses the point F goes from here to here, and then it gets shrunk by a factor of a half or over point E. It doesn't end up in the correct place. So this is definitely not the correct answer. So the choice is definitely 2. All right, so definitely thanks for watching. If you got the same answer as us, if you appreciate these videos, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Let us know in your comments if these are helpful. If you found any mistakes, if you found any other ways of doing this problem, let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video starting right now.